Hi guys, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a DIY video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a gallery wall. It is going to be renter friendly because I am not using any nails. We are going to be using command strips. So I want to do a gallery wall in this wall right behind me. I have this little table right here. I want to do black frames above the table. So in today's video, you guys are gonna see how we do that. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So first thing, of course, you're gonna need your picture frames. So I actually ordered these from Amazon. It was like the cheapest place that I found them. So let me show you guys how they look. Okay, so I ordered 9 of these frames. They are just black frames. They come with the matte. I think that's what it's called, the matte paper on them. And they are 12 by 12. So I went on Amazon and I just searched gallery wall, and so this pack came up. So they all come in a pack, which makes it better than buying individual frames because that's how it can get really expensive. So this pack of 9 frames was $40, and it's like the most affordable I've seen it because normally a 1 picture frame minimum is like $10. So if you're buying 9 frames, that's already $90. So I recommend that you go and get these from Amazon. You might be able to find other sizes as well if you don't want to do the 12 by 12. And then I do want to keep the mat around it. So I printed pictures that are 8 by 8. And I did print black and white pictures. I printed them from Walmart. So I spent like $20 on the pictures. So I already went and picked those up this morning. So of course you're also going to need your pictures. So we're going to open all the frames now, and these are the pictures, and we're just going to go ahead and insert them in the frames. And I'm actually gonna tape the top and the bottom to the actual border just so that the pictures don't move. These are the command strips that I'm going to be using. So I'm just gonna do 2 per frame. I got the ones that are for medium picture frames. It says it holds up to 12 pounds, but these frames don't weigh anything. So I'm still gonna do 2 on the sides of each frame. Measure your wall and find the center point, and I'm gonna leave 2 inches in between all the frames, like top and sides. So the middle of our wall is right here. And then you just kind of have to figure out how far up you want to start the bottom row. So I kind of want to start it around here, just so this stuff isn't like covering too much. So maybe around here. And so you're gonna need a leveler and a measuring tape. So we're gonna start off with the middle one, and once that one is set, you can kind of place the ones on the side. It'll be a lot easier. So it helps if you have someone helping you, because you can kind of walk away and see how it looks. So I'm just gonna measure 2 inches this way and then 2 inches this way, so I can know where the next frame goes. Oh yeah.
Is that straight? Yeah, that's perfect. Wow, I got it.
So 2 inches?
See? Really?
Like a little more this way.
To the right? Okay. Well, this.
Okay guys, so we just finished doing the 2 bottom rows, but we actually ran out of command strips. I miscounted. So we're gonna have to go out and buy more, but I think we're probably gonna finish it tomorrow. But this is how it's looking so far, and I think it looks so nice. And it was really easy.